Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out Akko's newest switch, which is their cream yellow switches. Now these are their version 3s, so think of the matcha greens as being the version 1s. And these are basically just new and improved matcha greens, which I reviewed a while back. Now these go for $8.99 on Akko's website and go for $12.99 on Amazon. These have a 50-gram operation force, with a total travel distance of 3.5 millimeters, a pre-travel distance of 1.9 millimeters, and an end force of 58 grams. So they do have that plus or minus symbol. I believe that's because it is a progressive spring that they use. So the more you press down, the heavier it gets, I believe. Could be wrong on that, but let me know in the comments down below about that part. Materials used for the switch: the stem is made out of palm, the top housing is made out of polycarbonate, and the bottom housing is made out of PA. So this all comes together to make a very nice, smooth, creamy, and clacky sound signature for your keyboard, which in my opinion sounds really good right out the box. Here is a quick sound test of these switches. So that sound test you just heard was with the switches stock. These aren't lubed at all, and in my opinion, I think they sound great right out the box. Obviously, if you lube them, they get even smoother, but for right out of the box experience for that cheap of a price, I don't really think you can go wrong. There is no spring ping at all, so they removed the spring ping that the matcha greens had, and they are smoother than the matcha greens were right out the box. So definitely an improvement in every aspect over the matcha greens. So if you're thinking about getting the matcha greens, I do not think it's worth it, considering these are better in every aspect. Now, when it comes to the colorway, I think it looks pretty good. You know, I've never been a big fan of yellow, but I still think this color is a really nice pastel yellow. Speaking of yellow, I don't really agree with the fact that they used white lettering on the box, because the box is yellow. It's really hard to read. Don't really know why they went ahead and did that, but it just makes everything hard to read on the front of the box and on the back of the box, so it's really hard to see that force graft if that's what you wanted to read on the box. But yeah, other than that, let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below. And if you are interested, Akko does also have a tactile version of these switches that I will be reviewing in a couple of days, and I am a big fan of those already, so you can definitely be sure to be on the lookout for that video in the near future. Let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.